In this video, I'm going to show you how to use LuxAlgo Session Indicator. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to LuxAlgo's official website, and then here you want to sign into your account or create one if you don't have one yet, and then click on the library button at the top right over here. Now, once you do that, you want to go to search indicators and you want to type in session indicator, and it's going to pop up a bunch of different results. You want to scroll down, and of course, you can use any of these over here, but we're just going to go for sessions over here, which this video is about. I'm going to click on it, and it's going to kind of open up the preview over here on this chart, so I can just scroll over and see what this looks like. Scroll down, and if you scroll down, you'll be able to see kind of your tutorial, and you can also see kind of the customizable settings and how you can do that, and it's just kind of a walkthrough, very convenient. You can read through this if you want to know more, and then to use it, you can select the platform you want to use it on. As you can see, this one is currently available on TradingView, NinjaTrader, MT4, and MT5. So for example, if you want it on MT5, click on Get Access, follow these step-by-step instructions, and you'll be good to go. Or you can of course select any other of these. I'm going to just select TradingView because if you just want to use it and you don't care where, the TradingView is likely the quickest option and the easiest one to set up. So I'm going to click on Get Access and then Get Access again. It's going to open up a separate tab here where you can again see kind of the preview, and if you're not signed into TradingView yet, sign in or create an account here at the top right, and then you'll be able to click on Use on Chart down here at the bottom left, and this will basically open up a new chart here in TradingView, inside which you'll be able to use your session indicator. So there we go. As you can see, let me actually just move this one away because it's from the before. There we go. And as you can see, I now have this sessions indicator on here, and I can go ahead and use it. I can change the time periods over here. I can go ahead and of course customize it by hovering over it and clicking on this settings button and then changing the inputs, the style, the visibility, stuff like that. So yeah, that's how we can use it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.